This is Graham in the Dollars and Cents channel. Today we're going to be talking about the easiest way to get rich. Hit the like and subscribe button down below. Here's a quick example for you guys to understand what compound interest really is. If you guys somehow could get up to $30,000 saved and then put it in the stock market and actually learn about the stock market and then get 15% annually as average return, your $30,000 initial investment without adding any more money, it would grow to $244,000 over a 15-year period. And then if you waited another 15 years, say you wanted the money for retirement or something, the money would grow to $2 million just from your initial $30,000 investment. And even if you can't save up that much money and you just want to put a small portion of money and see it grow into a good amount for your future, you can invest $1,000 for 30 years, and with a 15% return, you'll see about $66,000, which would be really good for your adult life and make you very secure for your future. And that's the power of compound interest. One of the richest people of all time used this technique, compound interest, aka Warren Buffett, and that's how he basically became one of the richest people on earth, by reinvesting all of his money and keep reinvesting it, and he has billions of dollars now just through compound interest. In conclusion, this is one of the easiest ways to get rich, and it's for the average Joe. Anyone can put any amount of money they want in as a young kid, as a teenager, or as a young adult, and they'll see it grow. It's just like if you want to get rich but you maybe don't want to start a business or you don't want to do this, you can just put a little bit of money in the stock market and you can watch it grow into maybe $100,000 or to $2 million. This was Graham in the Dollars and Cents channel. Hit the like button down below and please share the video and hit the subscribe button above. And thank you for watching. I appreciate it.